Okay, so yeah, we can start now. Uh, Whoever have questions, please raise your hand first. Then we can go one by one. Okay. Am I audible, right?
Yes, you are.
Okay, thank you. So, guys, whoever having questions, please raise your hand and you can go ahead. Hello. Hello. Okay, so I'm going one by one. Okay, here Rajesh goes. Hi. Yes, go ahead. You can unmute
Yeah,
yourself.
just a minute.
Yeah,
Yeah,
sure.
yeah. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, yes, you're audible.
Yeah, so I'm Rajesh. Yeah, I just completed foundation this term. So this will be my first term in diploma, and so I'm here to like basically my internals are going on. So I didn't read the entire handbook, so I don't really know about much about the courses. So I'm just here to get about like the first guidance as to what subjects should I choose for the first term. Maybe first of all I thought that I would have only have to select maybe programming or data science. Now that I know that I can like choose combination of both. Now I think most probably I thought that to take dbms mad 1 and mlf for this term, so I can directly go on to mad 1 project in the next term.
So you are planning for the to taking the combination, right? Like both the diplomas.
Actually I don't really know what to see. The problem is I know a little bit of programming because I'm a dual degree student first of all. I a little bit
Yeah.
of programming because I've done some CP and all from Lead Code, HackerRank, Coursera and all.
Okay, okay.
But at the same time, I also wanted to learn machine learning, like dive into it. But the problem is, will I be able to manage it from the first term itself? That's the question. So I'm
Uh,
thinking of going. Uh,
okay, it's quite manageable. See, you can take the DBMS, MATWORD, and MLF, of course. Okay, but if you want to, if you have the coding background and programming background, then you can like take the first complete the programming diploma, and then you can choose the data science. Like it can be a comfortable if like the programming sorry data science diploma is a little bit hard for the beginners. Okay, so it sometimes take time like MLF, MLT and MLP, this kind of subjects. Okay, so you can take combination, or if you have any programming background, you can take first complete the programming diploma, then you can choose data science. Okay, but
no,
the subject
uh,
combination, what you asked, like DBMS, MAD1, and MLF, right? It's also a good combination for starting.
so what do generally beginners take? Like for
Uh,
example, in
generally,
foundation, many people.
generally,
Uh,
generally in foundation, they take like BDM, MLF, DBMS, this kind of subjects. Okay, but MAD1 also you can take. Even in the first term, I'll not recommend, but you can even take 4 courses as well in the first term, because it's these subjects a little bit it light subjects. Okay, but the upcoming it's some tough subjects are on the way. So in the first term, most of the students used to take even 4 subjects in the diploma. But if you want to take 3, then you can take BDM, MLF, DBMS as well, or MLF, DBMS, MAD1 also. Okay.
yeah, fine. You're suggesting me to take a combination. If I only suggest, like, only choose to go for programming, what are the three subjects I should take? Mad one, DBMS, and
MAD1, DBMS, or like you can take PDS as well.
okay, thank you. And for machine learning, data science, I think MLF and MLT, I think, and along with BDM,
Uh,
right?
BDM, yeah, that
Okay,
will be.
thank you.
Yes, that will be good combination. Yeah, thank you so much. Next, yes, Amit, go ahead. Yes, Amit, you can unmute and ask your doubts. Okay, anyone else? Yes, what is it? Soumyadeep, yes, you can unmute yourself and ask a question. Your voice is a little bit breaking. Can you please check your mic, Soumyadeep?
Can I?
Yes, 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 you are
Oh,
audible now. Yeah.
okay, okay. Can I speak in Bengali?
Okay, okay.
I think this will be better for me. Uh, uh, I think you can understand.
Can you please Hindi as well? Like हिंदी में बात कर सकते हो? Like others should understand as well.
হ্যাঁ, পারি বাট বাংলাটা একটু কমফোর্টেবল হবে আর কি।
Okay, okay, fine. Just go ahead.
হ্যাঁ, তো আমি বলছিলাম আমার ফার্স্ট টার্ম যেটা আর কি ছিল সেইটা ফাউন্ডেশনে আমি তো ওর ফার্স্টটা হয়ে গেছে, সেকেন্ডের ক্ষেত্রে ম্যাথ টু, স্ট্যাট টু, পাইথন অ্যান্ড ইংলিশ টু। এবার ওর ক্ষেত্রে আমি কিরকম স্কেডিউল মোটামুটি মেনটেন করলে মানে হবে, কারণ অনেকের কাছ থেকে আমি শুনলাম যেটা যে স্ট্যাট টু বা ম্যাথ টুটা তুলনামূলকভাবে একটু হার্ড।
Yes, of course. Stat 2 and Math 2, you shouldn't take in the same term, okay? But you can split it in two terms as well because you have completed only one term of foundation, right? So you can split it into the three terms, the whole foundation level, if you don't have much hurry to complete the foundation level, okay? Because Stat 2 and Math 2 need some time to devote, okay? At
ওকে,
least. Mm, at least 2 hours per 2 to 3 hours per day, okay? So it's highly recommended to split it in the two terms, like two subject in the next term and other two in the next subsequent term, okay?
ওকে, ওকে।
So you have math 2, stat 2, python and english 2, right?
ইংলিশ টু, ইয়া।
So you can take math 2 and python in this term and take english 2 and stat 2 in the next term. It'll be better.
ওকে, ওকে, ওকে,
It will be some light, will be light for you, and score will be also in the balanced. Okay,
ওকে, ওকে, ওকে।
so yeah,
থ্যাংক ইউ।
yeah, thanks. Yes, Amit, Purvi, Amit Agarwal. Yes, please go ahead. Hello, hello, Amit, are you there? Uh, Meanwhile, I think his mic is a problem. Meanwhile, any others who have any questions, please go ahead.
Sorry for interrupting.
Yes, yes.
What was the main thing and like taught in Mad One? Most probably, like for
Uh,
application development,
yes, yes, yes. Of
Kotlin.
course, the mainly
Um,
application developers
it will
class.
be mainly back-end development, basically server-side rendering.
Okay, so I thought app dev would be like Android app dev or something.
No, 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 no. It's not. It's web app. What is it's like modern
Other way.
application development.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Yes. So others, uh, anyone others? If you have any question, yes, go ahead.
Yes, that.
Yeah, Siddharth.
Yeah, so this term I'm going to start my diploma, and I wanted to know, like, I'm not from a programming background, so should I start with programming first and then move on to data science, or first to data science and then programming?
Do you have any other degree?
No,
You're
I
doing
mean I'm
standalone?
doing a degree right now, uh,
Okay.
along with it,
In which John? Like sector?
engineering only.
Engineering only. First year.
Yes.
Then how come you say that you are not from programming background?
Well, I haven't done it before, right? I'm just learning it.
So what?
And it's not
See,
CSE
yeah,
department.
don't get that. Don't I understand, but don't get that intuition set in your mind that you are not from programming background. You can't do it. You have survived the foundation, right? You get an idea of Python. You get an idea of how to. You have passed the OPP, right? That's why
Yes.
you are in diploma. So you are into programming. You know how to do code. So it's just a level up of what you are doing in the foundation. It's a level up. So don't fear about programming. These are all a build up upon what you have studied in the foundation. That's it. The concept and algorithm, that will be the new thing that will be face, especially in DSA and MAD. That's it. In Java, there is not much of coding. It's just oops concepts that you are using in Java. That's it. You are not explicitly asked to learn Java. You are just asked to learn the concepts, and mostly all other things will be done in Python. And in MAD 2, one other component is JavaScript that you will be learning. That's it. So if you start with programming diploma, take MAD 1 DBMS. That's the entry level, along with
Okay.
another like Java or PDS.
Okay, so how difficult are the programming courses compared to Python in its foundation level?
See, concept wise, uh, I'm if I'm talking about in terms of exam, MAT 2 is the toughest. It's you are asked to solve JavaScript questions in the exam, and in the current past two terms, the trend is that MAT 2 is tough. The exams are coming tougher each term. So be prepared for MAT. Apart that, there is PDSA you can consider tough, but they are making it easier. So the trend is changing. PDSA is becoming easier, MAT 2 is becoming tougher, and there is another system command. This term they are making it tough. I guess I don't know why, but yeah, the general toughness are increasing of the easy courses that you are easy in the past. So you can get an idea about that. But if you balance it out, give sufficient time, it's doable.
Okay. So let's say if I were to take data science before programming, uh, what are the difficult courses in this diploma then?
If you take data science before
Yes.
TDS, current scenario, TDS is the toughest if you haven't completed the programming, because TDS is like it's the syllabus is changing every term. The project, it has two projects, and the projects keep on changing every term. There is no matching from the previous term, and they will ask you to integrate Gen AI, LLMs, every other things. You are asked to deploy an app, all other sort of things. If you don't cover the concepts of programming, JavaScript, you won't understand a single thing if you directly go into data science, because in data science you have three courses that are purely mathematical, the machine learning courses. MLP has some bit of coding, but not related to programming. And the rest courses are business oriented, so you won't learn anything about programming there. And in TDS, you'll be asked to do code on your own, debug, find this. integrate LLM, all those things. So I have seen many like what you're struggling in TDS, struggling to the core that they are like literally failing the course. That's why if you have a good knowledge of programming development, then TDS is doable for you if you haven't done the programming courses or the diploma.
So it is recommended to do programming courses before TDS.
Yeah, at least complete the MAD 1, MAD 2, and PDSA before TDS. Because the current scenario is that they are making it tougher each term. So by the time you do TDS, so it will gonna be more tougher.
Okay. And another doubt I had was that about the projects. Can we take the projects like together with the theory
Yeah,
courses?
yeah, it's totally fine. Like you can take 4 courses, and with that you can take. I don't know. I have heard people taking 2 or 3 projects also. Your basically project don't come under your CCC, so you can take as many projects you can, but obviously you can't handle it.
Okay. Do you have any idea how much time does it take to complete a project?
It depends. It depends on the project. MLP you can complete in 1 or 2 months. It's even I would say it's just from my personal experience. If you have a decent knowledge and you have done the MLP course, or at least have spent 1 week just learning the sklearn, you can easily do the MLP project in a week or two. It's easily doable. You just have to clear a cutoff score. After that, you are eligible for Viva. Then you can pass the and update the code simultaneously. There is no issue. For MAT projects, generally you are given a time of 3 months. Basically, you are asked to complete it before 3 months because you have to complete Viva and all those things. So you can expect 2 months. Safe aside, take 2 months. And there will be multiple windows where within you have to submit it. If you submit in window one, your Viva will be finished earlier than the rest. If you wait for the last batch, so there will be complications, all those things. Generally, what happens if you submit in the starting batches, you get bonus marks on a total score. This is for the MAD 1, MAD 2, and BDM. It generally happens in cycles. Each month there is a cycle. You have to submit 3 reports. If everything goes well and you're super lucky, you can submit all the 3 reports in a month. But generally, no one has that luck. Generally, people are taking 6 to 8 or 9 months to complete the BDM project. I myself took 8 months.
Okay. Okay. One last doubt. I did not study maths too properly. So will
Uh,
it be a problem for data science?
no, no, don't take tension about not studying. Eventually, you have to learn. If you didn't learn in the foundation, you have to learn in diploma because in every step you will find maths.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Next, who is there? You can unmute and ask.
Sir, actually, I'm doing offline degree along with this online degree, and can I take 4 subjects at a time? So will it feasible to do for me? Like,
Yeah,
you know,
it's depending up to you. Like you will be able to give time or not because 4 courses with offline. I mean BTech.
yes, sir. But I'm in the second year CSC branch, and I completed DSA in theoretical way in semester three itself, right?
Still, see, if you are having an offline college and you are taking 4 courses, that will be risky because your exams might clash. So all the money for 4 courses will go into waste. So plan accordingly. If your timetable is matching, you're having sufficient time, then
Uh,
only take 4 courses.
okay, sir. Second notice, after completing 2 diplomas, will I get degree of BSc? Am I
No,
right?
no, 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 no. After completing 2 diplomas, you will get 2 diplomas. That's it.
Okay,
For
then
BSc, you have to complete BSc.
right, okay. Uh, for BSc, I tried to search many
Sorry.
uh, for BSc level. I tried to search on the website to catch out the what subjects are included in the BSc. But I'm not able to find that subjects for BSc level. So I,
Uh, BSc is kind of lenient in compared to diploma level. You'll be getting five core courses that you have to mentally complete, and rest you can complete electives. There will be a pool of electives. You have to just have to select from there.
okay, you mean that we have to select? Sorry, we have to do five courses for NPTEL.
Five mandatory courses. No, 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 no. NPTEL is uh, optional. Not
Okay.
necessarily you have to complete it.
And then for BSc, how many terms will be there to complete the BSc?
See, there is no restrictions in the number of terms.
Okay.
Ideally, there is they have the restrictions for the, I guess, diploma level. For BSc, if you do on a good pace, you can complete in 2 or 3 terms. It shouldn't take more than that.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. See, sir, I tell you one thing. I took DBMS, PDSA, Machine Learning Foundation, and MAD1 theory. So DSA is actually I had completed in my college, and some things are cleared many times for DSA, like doing code forces questions in C++ language. But do you think that I will able to cover all these things if I give the sufficient time for all the subjects? I plan accordingly. I manage all things. Then
If you give
total.
time, then obviously you can. See, PDSA is becoming easier.
Huh, right.
As I mentioned, like if you have your logic clear and
Yeah.
everything, you can easily clear the PDSA course. That's very easy for you. If you have already done it, it's a plus point. And other
And,
courses, DBMS, it's a theoretical course.
huh,
Solve the PYQ. That's it. One thing that I would suggest that do the PYQs well, study the pattern. You
huh.
can easily score 60-70% marks. It's
Okay.
easily doable if you just
Yeah.
study the PYQs nicely.
Yeah.
And just if you can't due to time constraint, if you can't join the live sessions, at least attend the revision sessions conducted by the particular course instructors. See, the you will be getting support during your diploma level. Use that support,
Yeah.
use the revision sessions and those things. It will be on your own benefit, because in degree level you won't be getting that much of hand handling.
Yeah. Yeah. Right. You mean the online session they will conduct
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
separately?
yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. On the not separately, each you'd be getting calendar invites, right? Just
Yeah.
join those. Even there are TA sessions, you can ask them doubt also.
Right. Got it. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Next, who is there? G-
Hello,
Amit.
am
Hello.
I audible, sir?
Yeah, yeah, you're audible.
My doubt is regarding course registration. I had registered in May term. When will my lectures will be started?
I guess the date is there in the calendar. I don't remember explicitly, but it should be around May 10th.
Term starting from 9th of May. Term starting, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. The lectures will be, I guess, released on May 9th or 10th.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Sir, actually, last question. To
Yeah.
upload the income certificate, actually, I belong from the Maharashtra state, so my certificate is written. They had printed in the Marathi language, that is regional language of Maharashtra. So I
Yeah.
uploaded that same income certificate in the portal. So will it they will return back that query for that certificate, or will valid in actually it is in Marathi and showing that
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I understood. Regarding that, see, whatever documents you have uploaded, they will verify it. If they
yeah,
find any mistake, they will call back to you or just mail you. Apart that, I believe if you are submitting the income, you have also submitted the IDR, right?
yes, sir.
Yeah, then it's fine. They will verify every one of everything, and just if they find any problem, they'll just contact you.
Previously, actually, I was not. I am not able to remember that particular thing that I was submitted as one typical format from IIT Madras website itself. So I written in on my hand and took signature from Tehsildar and shown.
Yeah.
So,
You don't have to take tension. If the documents have any issue, they will just ask for you. You
yeah,
can submit. You can submit. You will get sufficient time to submit or resubmit.
yeah. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Next, who's there?
Hello, sir. So, I actually had a question regarding what courses to select right now. So, I have completed my first term of diploma where I took MAD 1 and DSA, PDSA and DBMS. And
Okay.
I am parallelly working, so and I am like somewhat familiar with the concepts of DSA and DBMS, so I was able to do them with ease. Mad one, I struggled a little bit because I'm not too I mean, like familiar with the front end side of things. Uh, so now, but I did clear all of them in the last term. I'm wondering if I can leave the projects alone for the late upcoming terms and take a few more subjects in this term.
I'll suggest don't wait for the projects in the last term because uh, are you planning to do the BSc?
Yes.
So in that case, don't wait for the last term for the heavier courses even also. Try to finish the projects beforehand because what happens is that if you're a degree potential student, you will be asked to complete your degree before general students. Say
Okay.
suppose the last cycle is I'm saying it like suppose in comparing it to this term, the terms registration started in April. What do you say? The 24th, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
you'll be asked to complete your Viva and all those things before March.
Got it.
But
Uh,
in this term, they had given relaxations and they said that you can submit till March 30. So that's why the what is happening that since still many Vivas are still going on, especially for the BDM. The Vivas are
okay.
still going on. Students are not able to register right till now. So you just keep in mind, if you get like flagged, then you have to just do another term. Even if
Uh,
your all those things are cleared and you have not finished your projects before the deadline for degree potential, you won't be allowed to register for degree courses.
so I mean, I am right now in the like I will be doing my second term in diploma level, and the thing is, I mean, since I'm parallelly working, I'm expecting it to get hectic right now. So I thought I can, I mean, be a bit more calmer in the IIT Madras course, and hence why I thought I mean, I heard from few of my friends that the project is, I mean, as you said previously in the conversations, that we have to complete it sort of within like a month or two, and as soon as you submit it, it is like better. So I thought I can put it off for the next term and take some calmer subjects. But do you still prefer the project or?
Yeah, what I suggest like take the projects along because projects you'll get two terms if you register once. It will have two term validity. So take the
So
projects
two-term validity as in, sorry?
as in like if you register in May term, it will
Okay.
be valid for two terms.
So I will be doing my understanding is a term is 4 months, right? 3 months of
Yeah.
courses and
What
then,
I'm saying that if you register for the May term, if
yeah,
you don't able to clear the or pass the project, you will
yeah.
get your money refunded, and using that money you can register for the next term, and you
Okay.
will be able to do it for two terms.
Oh,
After end
so
of two terms, if you
okay.
don't clear or pass the project, you won't get your money refunded.
So so only after the two terms, as in like you get an extra try, and if you fail on the extra try, you will have to
No,
like,
not like this. After the first term,
okay,
like suppose you registered in the May term, you took MAD
oh,
1 project.
yes,
You are not able to complete the MAD 1 in May term.
okay,
You will get your money refunded for this term,
Okay,
With this money, you can register for the next term
got it.
in the September term.
Got
But
it.
again, in September term, if you can't complete the project, you
Okay.
won't get your money refunded.
So during then, in case I fail it both the times, I will have to
Redo. Yeah,
repay
you have
and
to
redo.
repay.
Got
Yeah.
it. All right. Okay, then I will probably choose based on that. But right now, I think the only project I can take is Mad One project. Would you say it
Yeah,
is
yeah.
too hard or?
I'll suggest take MAD1 and BDM together. See, BDM, what happens is like you have to submit reports and it
Okay.
runs every cycle, means every month. So
Okay.
I'll suggest take the project in each month, try to submit one report. See, if you get submitted one report, that's all you have to do. In the Viva, it's very easy. BDM Viva
Uh,
is the easiest among the all the four projects.
I don't have the BDM project right now. I only have the BDM course which I can take. Oh, you're saying take both the BDM and BDM as in like
Yeah,
the
because
project,
BDM project and BDM course has no connection with each other.
uh, as in like you're suggesting that I can take both of them because they are
Yeah, yeah.
co-requisite.
You can take both the try to finish it. If you can, well and good. If you don't, you will get another chance, right?
Got it. Yeah. Okay, then all right. I will probably look
Just
into that.
think about just go on the because the BDM runs in cycles,
Okay.
so everything is separate from the B other code projects.
Okay, got it. So it is since it is like separated out, I can do it now whenever I get the time.
Yeah, I believe you have gone through the statement, right? What the BDM project is all about.
Yeah, I have gone through it
Yeah,
roughly. Yeah,
and since you are working, I think it would be easier for you also to get those reports easily made. You don't
um,
have to put much effort also.
got it. Is there any like common resource which you would suggest for the BDM project?
Actually, they have. If you register, you will get access to portal. The portal will have all the resources, rubrics, and other things. You just have to follow the rubrics. That's it.
Got it, got it, got it. So you're suggesting BDM course and the project as two things. And
Yeah,
what about Mad One project? I can do it later. I don't want to overdo the projects. That's it.
yeah. If you can take it. Mad one.
Okay. Yeah, I will probably decide on that. But
And if
BDM
you feel
sounds good.
that, yeah, if you also feel that you are requiring any help, there are boot camps also happening. So that
Um,
might also help you.
All right, yeah, I will look into that. But for now, my time schedule is a bit different that I don't get to attend all the revision sessions or anything, so I catch up with the recordings and etc.
Yeah, yeah,
So yeah, I will decide. But thanks for suggesting the BDM project with the course. I will probably look into that and take that probably.
yeah.
Okay, then. Thank you, sir.
Okay, next,
Hello, sir. Hello.
Tarun.
Sir,
Yeah,
I
yeah,
completed my first term in diploma, in which I completed PDSA, MLP, and Med1. So this term I prefer go for MLT, BDM, and Med1. Sorry, Med2, along with Med1 project. Is this
yeah.
correct way?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay. So can I consider the BDM project along with that? Because
Yeah,
as you
you can.
mentioned, it take a lot of time to complete that.
See, Mad one. See, the thing is that the projects shouldn't take much time.
Okay.
Uh, BDM can take time because it's
Okay.
a long process. You go to a business, you ask for data, all those things might take time.
Okay,
Mad
sir.
one, ideally, if you don't, if you're starting from beginning, take help from the project sessions. Ideally, within a month, you can finish it. Just the core functionalities. Completing the core functionalities means you have passed the course. You'll pass the project.
Okay,
Obviously,
sir.
if you want to your project make look good, then you have to put your extra efforts also. I am not considering that. I am just saying about the bare minimum passing criteria. That if you
Okay.
fulfill the core functionalities, you will pass the project.
Okay. Can you give me the what is boot camp? Is it paid or free?
Yeah, there are two boot camps conducted by the IITM side only. One is
Okay.
online and one is offline. So I'm not sure about the next term's timeline. They will mail you if you register for the courses. They will mail you. So don't need to take tension.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Next, yes.
Hello. Sorry to interrupt again. What
Yeah.
are the courses which has OPPs and other tests which we have to give at home online? No?
It's hard to remember. MLP, TDS. TDS has ROE, not basically OPP, but it's kind of open internet exam. And there is Java, PDSA, system commands. Um, I don't think I'm missing anything, but yeah, these courses have OPP.
Oh, thank you so much.
Okay. Any other doubts?
By the way, degree level students, you can ask your doubts. Here's Aryan Tiwari sir is here. You can ask your doubts to him for BSc and BS level students. Okay. Yes, Srivastava. Okay. Others who have any doubts, go ahead.
Yeah, hi sir.
Yes,
Um,
yes.
I have completed my foundation level in this term and I'll be registering for diploma. So I just want a suggestion on that. Actually, I still don't have a good hold on the programming and yeah, I'm just looking for what subjects to choose.
You can take a mixed combination of both the diplomas. Okay, on programming and data science. So you have
Just
completed Python, so programming that's not that you don't have any knowledge of programming, right? So
yeah,
so
but
why what are you thinking to take? Like if you can take like some two subjects from data science and one from the programming diplomas. Okay, like you can take BDM and MLF from data science diploma, and you can take MAD one or DBMS from the programming diploma. It's
okay.
light subjects. Okay, for the first term for the starting in the diplomas.
Can you
Okay,
repeat it again? Can you repeat it again?
BDM, MLF, and DBMS.
Okay,
So how many
okay.
subjects you are planning to take? Three, right?
Yeah, like for next term, I'm quite free, so I can take like the maximum subjects I can.
Maximum subjects, like four subjects.
Yeah, yeah, I'm fine with
Uh,
it.
okay, then you can take BDM, MLF, DBMS, and MAD1. These four are
Okay,
light subjects for starting. Okay, so you can take these four.
okay.
Are you pursuing any other degree other than this team?
No, actually, I've completed my 12th. I've taken a drop, so I'll be going to college. Like, I'll be taking admission now, so I'm not yet taken.
Oh, okay, okay, fine. Yeah, then now you can
Yes,
take
so
the
yeah.
4 years.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay, next. Sanjana.
Yes, hello, sir. So
Yes.
I am actually in my last term of foundation. So I
Okay.
wanted to know if we can have credit transfer and diploma from NPTEL
Uh,
courses.
okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. You just you texted me,
There
right?
is no credit transfer in diploma. You can still start completing the NPTEL courses for credits, but only you'll be able to credit it in degree level.
Like
Okay, so if I start a NPTEL course now, I can transfer those credits in my degree, which I'll be doing
Yeah,
later on.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Just make sure that you register whatever it's mentioned in the handbook. If you don't
Yeah, yeah.
register accordingly, there won't be the transfer.
No, you basically have to register from your IITM student ID, okay, in the NPTEL courses. And
Okay.
the transfer only, you can complete the subjects and you can transfer only in the whenever you will be like leveled up in the BSc level, okay. Then only you can transfer it. But you can complete now.
Okay.
Also, there is a restriction on the number of credits that can be transferred. So, if you go through the handbook, you will see there are two tables. One is table 2, one is table 3. So, you can transfer only maximum 4 credits for BSc
Yeah.
level from table 2 courses, and another 4 credits from BS level for BS level. Okay, not more than that. So, it is not that you, let's say, do 10 credits and want to shift all those 10 credits for the degree level. It won't happen. Okay, please check accordingly. Everything is mentioned there in the handbook itself.
Yeah, I have seen this in the handbook. I wasn't sure about the credit transfer thing. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, yeah. So next, others, if you have any doubts, go ahead. Anyone? Okay. Any other doubts? Please go ahead. Yeah, Lalit, go ahead.
So I just completed my foundation level course. Um, Now I'm uh, for the next month I'm having the STEM and project related to my college, but then after I will be having some 1.5 month of free time. So I'm just looking what subject can I be choosing at starting for the diploma one, and it's like when I'm opening for the diploma courses, it's showing 4 data science related one and 5 programming ones. So, do I need to complete all the 9 ones, sir?
See, in the diploma there are 12 courses and 4 project courses. Okay, six in the data science programming and 6 in the programming diploma. Okay, so what? How many subjects you are planning to take? Like two, three, or four? How many courses you want to take for the first term?
Uh, for the first time, I'm planning to take 2, sir.
Mixed combination, like both the diplomas, mixed combination of both the diplomas, or you want to focus on any particular one diploma?
Uh, for now, I'll be focusing on data science. Uh,
Okay, on data science, then two subjects you can take BDM and MLF. So the light subjects for starting. Okay,
okay, sir. Uh,
and for the projects, there are two projects in the programming one, the MAD one and MAD two. Okay, and for the projects you have to come clear the theory courses first. Okay, so make sure you take those.
okay, sir. But right now it's showing 4 data science courses. So, while I'll be completing one by one, the two other will be opening for me, sir.
See, you can take four in the one term, but it will be too much for you, I think. So if you can
Yes, sir.
handle, then you can. Otherwise, if you want to take two courses, then you can take BDM and DBMS. Sorry, BDM and MLF, or any. I can suggest to take MLT, but it would be too much. MLF and MLT in the same term. Okay, so MLT is a little bit tough for in the data science diploma. So that's why I'm suggesting BDM and MLF for starting. Okay.
Yes, for me, the last foundation I completed in 2 terms with 4 and 4 courses, and I got a
It's
very low CGPA in overall.
Yeah, it's a little bit. You have to devote time to complete it and get a good marks. Okay, so that's right. Two and in the diploma, two or three subjects in a term, it's completely fine.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now,
So, another thing is that uh, how do I uh, use those 32 credits which I got from foundation level, sir? Like,
use means.
I will be getting a certificate, like going to
Yes,
submit
yes,
in my college.
you will get us a foundation level clearing certificate. Okay, I think in 1 or 2 months you will get it probably.
It will take one to
You
two months,
just
sir.
yes, yes, because you just completed, right? In this term, in the Jan term, you completed the foundation, right? Foundation
Yes, sir.
subject. So that's why you just register the diploma. Hopefully by this next month you will get the certificate. Hopefully. Okay.
Okay. So,
Uh,
uh, right now I can even take a break and join straight to September term, sir.
of course, you can take RK, like, but you have to choose the RK option in the registration form. Okay. Check on the registration form. You will get option of RKA, means registration keep alive. Okay. For that time, for registering on that, you can take a 1 month skip uh, on this time. Okay. And you have to pay some minimal amount for that as well.
Yes, I saw RKA it's showing like 1,100 rupees, but
Uh,
1,100 for 1 month or a 3 month
for this term,
sir,
for
for
4 month of this term, for this May term.
till August that yeah.
Till August, yeah. In the September, you can take one more, like you register in the September as well. Okay, but make sure you have to choose the RK option. Otherwise, you will be like selected as like leave the who leave the degree, right? So you'll be chosen like that. You They assume that you must be quit this degree. So make sure
Okay, sir.
you choose the RK option.
So,
Okay.
as I told that I got low CGPA due to the way I chose the courses in term one and term two of foundation. Um, any tip for me so that I can improve the CGPA, sir?
Uh, like gets like you can increase the CGPA by repeating the foundation level course later, or the next is in the diploma level subjects, try to score maximum in the light courses like this BDM, MLF, or in DBMS Mat 1. These are the light subjects. Okay, so BA, business analytics, try to get maximum in the light subjects, then it will maintain your almost CGPA. Okay, and you can repeat or to improvement your like cleared courses. Like in the foundation, you took 4 right for first term and the for second term. You got some low marks. Okay, so now even now in this term, you can take 1 or 2 foundation subjects and and do some improvement, and then you can score better. That will also balance the CGPA. You can take later as well. Like you have a chance to
Uh,
improve those courses. Okay,
so,
so
okay, you mean even the next time I will be having a chance to repeat the form. Okay,
anytime
sir.
you
But there is
can
a
go back and
disclaimer
take some.
for there is a disclaimer for applying from improvement. If you are improving any subject, you need to pay twice as much as the course fee. Okay, so let's say if you paid 4,000 for a course in foundation, then if you are applying for improvement, you have to pay 8,000 for that subject. Okay, please keep this in mind.
Yes,
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
yeah, thank you. Okay, others, if you have any queries, please go ahead. Mm, Others, anyone, any question? Okay, Devabrata, Shivakumar, Anjana.
Hello.
Yes, Shiva, go ahead.
Hello, sir. Actually,
Yes,
I am in
yes.
my foundation and I have completed my semester one,
Okay.
four courses.
Mm-hmm.
So I wanted to ask, like, in how many times it will be good to complete my foundation?
In the
Like,
three terms, it's ideal. Okay, and because in two terms, okay. First of all, tell me how many courses you have cleared as of now, like completed.
yeah, in first term I opted for four courses, and now I have left with the four courses extra in for
Okay.
second term.
Okay. Okay. I got it. So you have cleared like Math one, Stat one, CT, and English
And
one, right?
English. Yeah.
Okay. So okay, you can take two subject in the next term and two subject in the next subsequent term. Okay, because in for the remaining courses there are Stat Math two and Stat two together. So those two I will not recommend you to take in the same term. Okay, because it's a little
Yeah,
bit
that's why
tough
I'm
to
asking.
manage. So then you can take Math two and Python in the next term, like in the May term, and Stat two and English two in the September term.
Okay,
It
okay.
will be easier for you
Because
to manage.
yes, because in the last term, stats one was difficult for me. I got difficult in stats one,
Uh, yes, yes.
so that's why I
So
was asking.
yes, that's why I'm
So
saying math. Don't take math and stat two in the same term. In the stat two, you have to devote some time for beginner because stat is it's a new. Sometimes it's new for the students, right? Like it was a little bit hard for me as well during in the foundation. So that's why I
okay,
recommend you to take it separately.
so it will not create any issue in the longer term, like
No, 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 it's not.
my.
See, ideally, students take three terms to clear foundation level. Okay, so it's quite
Oh,
fine.
okay. And for diploma, what is the ideal terms? What are
In
the
the diploma, ideally, students take at least five terms
five
with
terms?
projects. At least, yeah. At least, see, there are six and six, 12 courses in both the diplomas. Okay, 12 courses, the four projects. So you can calculate.
Okay, okay.
You need at least three term to if you take four, then you need at least three term. Okay, but since they are project as well, so you need at least 4 to 5 terms to take.
4 to 5 terms, okay. Okay,
Okay.
sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Others.
Sir, what about the pathway given by IITM itself
Yeah, you can take that pathway. 4, 4, 4,
for
three,
four
three.
terms?
Yeah, you can take, but if you are solely pursuing this degree, then you
Yes,
can.
yes, sir. It's standalone for me.
Yeah, then you can focus on that. If you have that much hurry, then you can. Otherwise, but frankly speaking, see, you don't just have to complete this, you have to learn, right? But in
Yes.
this trimester, like in the fourth terms, but the subjects are little bit tougher in the diploma at least. So you have to make sure that you are learning properly. Otherwise, you will face difficulties in the degree level. So that's why in the
Uh,
diploma level,
how much time we have to
ideally it will
devote
be three subjects in the term. Yes. Huh?
for four subjects? Like I am in a hurry. I have to complete it in minimum time as I'm doing it as a standalone degree. Even I'm planning for some examinations at graduate level. That's why, like CDS and IFCAT,
Oh, okay.
along with
Then,
this degree.
so you want to take four diploma courses in every term, right?
Right, yes, and
Then you
like
can
what's the
take.
difficulty level?
Like BDM, MLF, DPMS, MAT one in the first
According
term. In the
as per pathway of IITM, first term they are recommending DBMS, MAD1 theory, PDSA, and MLF.
DPMS, MAT one, PTSM, yeah, you can.
Like it's in grading document of this term.
Yes, yes, you can take. that also. And the next time you can take like a mad one project, um, what is this, Java or MLT,
No,
this
in
kind of
second
subject.
term, according to IITM, they are recommending BDM theory, MAD 1 project, MAD 2 project, MLT.
Mad one project, Mad 2 project, Mad 2 theory, I guess.
MAD 1 project, MAD 2 theory, sorry,
Yes, a Mad one
and
project,
MLT.
Mad 2 theory, and MLT. Yeah, this is
Yes.
also good. See, this is for four subjects, right? So yes, you have to balance the heavy and light subjects because MLT and Math 2 will be little bit heavy subject, and
Like
comparatively
how much time they
BDM,
require for a minimum like good to maintain a good marks or a good CGPA?
you
How
have
much time we
to
should devote?
uh, like you have to devote at least 2 to 3 hours per day to manage this. As I can recommend.
That's not a issue, devoting 2 to 3 hours per day. But how much? Like I want to know more. I want to explore something else also apart from this degree. Mm,
Okay.
any other resources which can help?
Obviously, there are other resources as well. See, in the diploma levels, I will recommend you to not to go through the lectures full focusly. Other than you can focus on the live sessions and those topic wise, try to get it from Google or YouTube. There are many resources subject wise like modern application development, speed, data structures, Java. There are many resources in the other platforms. Okay, so you can
Can
take those
you give
courses.
me uh, some brief idea about the subjects DBMS, MAD1 theory, PDS, and
DBMS, I
ML?
think DBMS, database management, is really based on SQL, structural query language. You know about that? SQL
Difficulty
databases.
level?
It's easy. It's very much easy. DBMS, it's quite easy. You can manage it. And in the MAD one, it's more application development basically on web application developments. Getting you will, where you will learn like HTML, CSS, and
And
backend
what about
developments,
OPPs? Which subjects are having OPPs?
Java, PDSA, system commands,
No, in
MLP.
first term, I'm talking about DBMS, MAD1,
DBMS
PDSA,
has
and
DBMS
MLS.
has OPP. Yes, DBMS has OPP.
DBMS. And what about MAD1?
MAD1 there is no OPP.
MAD1, there is no. PDSA having OPP, you said.
PDS having OPP, but it's not mandatory. But there is some marks. I think 20 marks of total. 20 percent of total is in the OPP, but it's not mandatory. If you don't have clear it, it's not mandatory. But you will lose your 20 marks. But in the DBMS, you have to mandatorily clear the OPP to in order to clear the
Like Python in foundation, right?
yes, yes, correct, correct.
PDA is not having that compulsion, unlike
Hmm.
foundation.
Yes,
And
yes.
what about MLF?
No, there is no
I think it's
OPP
more
in the
about
MLF.
mathematics, I guess. MLF,
Yes, obviously. So mathematics and statistics as well.
right, right.
MLF, MLT, MLP is completely is on mathematics and
And
statistics.
please give
You
me
can
what
you
happens
can
in
say math
projects.
three,
Like,
stat three kind of. Okay.
oh, right, right, right. Okay. Uh, this term I was in a break, so I need to revise many concepts which I have forgot already
Sure,
of
sure.
maths too.
Try to like
Maths and
you
stats too.
you need those concepts, of course, in
Mm-hmm.
the
Yes,
diploma
yes,
and
yes,
even degree level as well. So
yes. Uh,
okay.
and what about projects? A MAD one project which I'll be taking next term. Does live classes or recorded classes are there for that, or it's just to we have to do some project and submit it?
You have to complete the project and submit it. The project statement will already, I think, given you got the mail, right? So it project statement is already there. You can check it in the grading doc of May 25 term. Okay, you'll get a project statement and start working on that project. There are live
Does there are
sessions
any
of
live
every
sessions are
week.
there?
Yes, yes, of
Acha.
course. Project sessions are always there in the every week. You can get it in the Mad One YouTube channel. Okay, every week they conduct some live sessions. You can do that. And in the otherwise, there are some other resources as well. You can take from other
Like
platforms.
I see in LinkedIn many posts there. Mad 1 or Mad 2 project scores,
Hmm.
S grade or A grade, how they are rated?
How they
Like they see the
what?
idea or they see the interface or what? How
I
they
don't
judge it?
understand. Can you repeat again?
Uh, how they are given scores based on the idea of their project
No,
or
no, no. See,
what?
project statement is already there. The judging criteria, that's by proctor, right? As the instructor. So instructor, like whatever the functionalities and all, they will inform in the statement, and you have to like follow those. And after that, they will like mm, call you for the vivas, and after submitting the project they call for vivas. Then you have to have some questions, they will go through your projects. Then based on that they will judge you and give the marks. The normal policy, that's it.
So there are any guidelines for project that you have to use these concepts only or outside concepts you can also.
It's mentioned in the project guidelines. Do you have the project statement? Like
No, no.
you can check in the grading doc. Okay, do you have the May 25 term grading doc?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, check on that. Scroll down there, project. Okay, project statement. You will get it. Check on that. The whatever is you have to do, it's completely mentioned. Okay,
What's
just
different
follow those.
difference between Mad 1 theory and Mad 2 theory?
What
Mad 1 theory and Mad 2 theory differences.
differences? Like it's Mad one is basically for the starting the application development on, but and easily I can say like for the backend servers type, and for the Mat 2 it's a little bit like in-depth, um, in-depth details of the application developments. That I can say in the easier word. Like in the Mad
MLF
one,
and
you will
uh,
in the Mad one, like in the Mad one, you will learn CSS, HTML, JS. Okay, and the backend stuffs. But in the Mad two, the other programming languages are like P Flask in details, and then the main other functionalities as well, what which you can include in the projects.
okay. And what is BDM? Like business data? Like what's
It's
that? It's
business data
technical or some
management.
commerce type of subject?
In BDM, it's like basically uh, what I can say, like business related things mainly. Okay,
Like
it's
practical
not much.
statistics.
Not statistics actually, not really statistics. Like data and business ideas, this kind of things. You'll get
Like
more
what's the
details in the
difficulty
business
of that course?
analytics.
I have
Okay.
heard that it doesn't have that much difficulty.
No, no, it actually not much difficult. Okay. Yeah,
It's
it will be
theoretical,
bit
right?
of difference. Yes, yes, of course. Yeah, that's what he said, like bit of economics. Yeah, same.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, BDM
My
is
doubts are
quite
clear.
easy subject. It's okay. You will get more detailed business ideas in the business analytics course. Okay, there are some statistics related ideas you need to use during business analytics subject. It's also a bit interesting, way more interesting than BDM at least. So BDM is quite easy.
Very much. And what's BA?
That's said, na, business analytics. Okay.
Math, MLT, MLF, MLT. Okay. And when to work on projects like I'm learning Mad One theory this term, and I'm planning to take Mad One project next term, right? So
Hmm.
when should I start preparing for project or making the project?
See, first complete the MAD one, then you will get the idea how to complete the projects, how to do the projects actually. Okay, and during MAD one, you are taking MAD one theory this time, right? Start watching the MAD one project session as well. Then you will get the idea how to complete the projects and how to like do the projects actually. Okay, you will get
Okay.
the proper idea, then you can you take the project in the next term and complete it.
And what are the activities going in our house? Like
Sorry.
apart from academics, what's going on in our house, Nilgiri House? Any competition or something like that?
Oh, okay.
Or social
So like
interaction, meetup,
non-academic activities, like.
non-academic activities. Yes, yes, yes.
Oh, okay.
Like
See,
I'm pretty
basically,
burn
right
out from
now.
this remaining in home.
Okay. For a meetup, where are you from? Right now,
I'm
like
from Midnapur.
originally. Huh?
Midnapur,
Midnapur. Okay. So
West Bengal.
in the next. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm from West Bengal too. Okay. In
Where are
the
you from?
next,
দাদা তুমি
I'm from
কোথায় থেকে
Kolkata.
দাদা?
Kolkata. Kolkata.
কলকাতায় আছো।
Okay. So in the next month, probably planning for a meetup in Kolkata. If you want, you can attend that. Okay,
লাইক
from
হয়টা কি?
our house.
জাস্ট দেখা করে চলে যায় নাকি?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ।
মানে হয়টা কি মিটাতে?
মিটআপে বেসিক্যালি তুমি আসলে সবার সাথে এনজয় করলে, দেখা হলো সবার সাথে, আড্ডা, খাওয়া দাওয়া, many activities like খেলাও হতে পারে। Suppose recently we have conducted a football meetup, like যেখানে একটা ম্যাচ,
লাইক 26
যারা
তারিখে একটা
এসেছিল।
ছিল, মানে আজকের দিনে মনে হয় একটা ছিল, না কালকে মনে হয় সায়েন্স সিটিতে একটা আছে।
ইয়েস ইয়েস, ওকে, বাট
হাউসে
ওটা
না হলে
আমাদের হাউস থেকে,
আইআইটি
ওটা
হবে।
আমাদের হাউসের না, হ্যাঁ ওটা আদার হাউস থেকে করা হচ্ছে। ওকে,
ওটা তো আমি তাহলে
you
বুঝিনি,
can,
এটা তো
yes yes,
ইনডোর
you
কম।
can join. No no no, it's fine, you can join. You can join any meetup. It's not that house restricted. Okay.
Apart from this, like what about societies and all?
Societies, you can join in any societies, like which domain you are like one interested to join. There are many more societies. You will get it in.
Uh, Hi, sorry to interrupt. I think we are almost end of the meeting, and I think we have to close it because the recording is getting over the limit. If you want
Okay.
more details about the house, you can check the orientation sessions. If you want, you can just text us over WhatsApp, and we'll just share you the links. You'll get every